Bore da, good morning.
Today we want to appeal to everyone to make change to our world and the time of challenge. Climate change affects Wales and the wider world. First of all, what is climate change? According to the Met Office, they defined climate change as a large-scale, long-term shift in the planet's weather patterns and average temperatures.
Climate change can cause many disorders, such as post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety, depression, and even adjustment disorder. These awful changes in our environment can affect your level of comfort and social skills. 45% of young adults, 16 to 25 years old, has reported to say through eco-anxiety and distress has impacted their daily lives. Climate change comes in many forms. 1. Air pollution. Car uses plays a big part in this one. The Welsh Government has reports to say that they have started a cycle to work system. But, well, how you do this is you cycle to work instead of driving, stopping toxic fumes from entering our planet.
There is a pollution that affects us daily too. The majority of our population drop litter. This is due to utter laziness and lack of care. When I go outside, it upsets me to see that there is litter everywhere. Whenever I go for a walk, even just a simple one, I notice that you can barely see the nature surrounding us, as it is covered in rubbish. Do you agree that we need to do something about this?
Yes.
Yes.
When I take my dog for a walk, litter is wherever I look. I'm astonished how many times I see litter a day. It just lays there on the ground like it's been there for hours without anyone's care. A walk in nature is supposed to be good for your mental health. However, how can this be the case when all you see is litter and damage to nature? A little contribution I do is litter picking, but whenever I go back there is always more litter. It is dangerous to birds, animals, and just looks awful. This is a small example of how we do not care for our planet properly. Our actions are affecting wildlife.
By 2050, it is said there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish. Does this shock you?
Yes.
But what can I do, we hear you ask? People do not understand the consequences of their actions. Litter is pollution. In our school, we have a group called the Eco Committee, which is a club on every Wednesday to discuss environmental issues and how they can be solved. We sometimes litter pick too. We are calling to you to ask you to always put your litter in the bin. We are asking our local councils to act now and place bins in all green spaces across Wales. Our call to action is to respect and protect green spaces and our wildlife, because this is their natural habitat, their home, a place where they should feel safe. Anything can happen within a few weeks. So let's stop polluting our planet so that our next generations can enjoy the beauty of nature for the better.
I hope you understood our message. Thank you for listening.